As it's known, monitoring of project progress is a very important day-to-day task. Unlike Primavera and Microsoft Project, Archilobby provides a very easy way to plan and record the actual progress for your projects and keep connected with your engineers at sites, day by day. After selecting the target project from the list for the first time, you can start by breaking down your project into several zones. Then start by dedicating a new timeline for the planning purpose and another one for recording the project actual progress. Now just click and drag inside your calendar to schedule a new activity. Then optionally assign equipment and manpower to the activity. But in order to have a valid equipment list available, you should have already entered this list inside the Equipment Manager system before. But don't worry, as you don't have to subscribe to the Equipment Manager system in order just to define a new equipment. The same concept is applicable for the laborer system as well. Make sure that the option, Apply the changes to the Equipment Manager to obtain a proper histogram is already checked. Now when you go to the Assignment tab inside the Equipment Manager, you will find that the Project Monitor system has assigned the same excavator we have already chosen to my project and within the exact same date range. The same thing also happened inside the Laborers Manager as well. Now it's time to enter the actual progress activities by the site engineer, and add images to each activity. So as you can see by now, it's very easy for the project manager to monitor the site, and compare the planned and actual activities durations. Later on, when your calendar becomes full with so many activities, you might start filtering the activities according to the zone, for example. Now if you return back to the Equipment Manager, you will find that Archilobby has already prepared a cool equipment histogram for our project, where you can generate the chart weekly, daily, or monthly. A similar laborer's histogram has been generated as well for the same project. On the Reports page, you can do a lot of cool stuff here, like filtering data by zone, searching within that zone, or even edit data on place just as easy as working inside an Excel worksheet. Speaking of Excel, you can now save your data as an Excel worksheet. The Reports page also helps the site engineer to prepare a daily report at the head of each day with the tasks he is committed to achieve, and another report by the end of each day with the progress he has already achieved. Sometimes during a meeting, it would be very necessary to slideshow the project progress pictures over a specific period of time. Feel free to adjust the thumbnail size, filter by zone, and even search for specific activities, then get rid of the unnecessary images, and start the slideshow.